Skype. First, how to get to Microsoft Skype. First, go to the Start button in Windows 10 and start typing Skype. Skype. Here it is. So I'll go into Skype. Now I can type a message to myself. First, I want to show you these. These are the chats, and you'll find one called Bing is an AI robot. Just click on calls. These are all the calls I can ring to. This one, you can check your microphone. You click here. Everything is working now. Let's see.
Message will be played back to you.
Here it is. I can say hello, and wait. I can say hello, and wait.
If you are able to hear your own voice, then you have configured Skype correctly.
Cancelled. Now I can speak with myself. I can type a message like hello. I can send a contact like this one. I can send a file. And I can send emojis that have animation. Like I'll send this one. On these ellipses, I can send a other document or a video meeting or my location. In a contact, you can insert lots more. I'll go back to my contact. So I can send an audio. Click here. Hello, this is Haron. Hello, this is Haron. See? Now when I right click on it, I can click remove. I can remove all of these like here, remove. I can remove them all. So this is how you use Microsoft Skype. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. See you again.